Welcome to the crypto market update. Today is February 11th, 2026. It has been an awful day as of yesterday. Everything is down across the board, like pretty much everything. Bitcoin is at like 66,778. Ethereum, freaking hate Ethereum. Honestly, Ethereum's awful, sucks. It's like under $2,000 at $1,945. Sol's at $80. Zcash is at $228. Everything is down. The only thing that it has a kind of a pump in it is Pippin, the virtual agent, at 33.7% is up. River is up 24.1%. ZRO is up 15.71%. Everything else is way down. Ticker symbol MYX is down 16.2%. It's just been awful. It's been terrible. On the metals front, a little better news. It's stable. Silver is at $83.75. I did sell some of my silver for $80 yesterday. I had to call a bunch of different dealers. One guy offered me 70. One guy offered me 75. Eventually, I got to somebody who offered me 80. So it was interesting how that worked out. Like I said, we're still waiting on the crypto market structure bill. Let me see, the S&P 500, I can tell you, is at 6,941. It had a down day. If you chart a parallel channel, long-term parallel channel since the 2020s for the S&P 500, we're at the top of the range, and all the indications is that the S&P 500 is going to go down. It's being propped up for one way or another. It's still really high, all-time highs. That's true, but it's just not breaking through to newer all-time highs. And a lot of people on the street, a lot of technical analysts, especially people like Gareth Soloway, guys like that, if you've never heard of them, they're all saying that it looks like we're topping on the S&P 500, and that the most likely scenario is that it comes down. The reason for that is we never recovered. NVIDIA, Chat, OpenAI, all these AI companies, Google's pretty much going into AI, they never recovered from DeepSeek. From the DeepSeek moment where a competing Chinese OpenAI could compete with NVIDIA, could compete with Google at a fraction of the hardware expense, at a fraction of the electricity expense, and be a good and able AI. We never recover from that. We've just been propped up financially. NVIDIA gets a $200 million investment from Microsoft, then it turns around and puts it into OpenAI, right? That's what's been happening. A really big circle of financialization.